Which brings us to the next concept. Guys, ये तो पता होगा हम लोगों को. What are the different kinds of leverages? These are all business students. Naval Ravikant का नाम भी लिया था किसी ने. We understand what is a leverage, right? You guys are supposed to start your businesses. What is a moat? Do we understand moat? What is a moat? Sorry?
The barrier to others.
USP, the barrier to others, a defensible thing.
The right to win.
And leverage का मतलब क्या होता है?
You have an upper hand.
You have an upper hand, some sort of lever. Can we think of some kind of leverages that exist in the market? Financial पैसा होना बहुत बड़ी चीज है. Telecom industry, no one can disrupt it, but Reliance can because they have shitload of money. Network, knowing the right people at the right places. Probably what else? Operational, Amazon, okay. Location. Guys, majorly the thought leaders of the world, the likes Naval Ravikant, have distributed leverages in 4 categories that you guys should definitely know. ये तो आप लोगों को वैसे ही पता होना चाहिए. Which is about capital, that you gotta have shit ton of money. That's one kind of leverage. The second is labor, that you gotta have people. One of the things, if you're getting hired for an executive position and you cannot bring 50 people with you in the team, you're not considered that big of an executive, because if you're a good leader, people should be with you. Distribution. Do you think अगर Pepsi का ना होता तो वो इतने बड़े ड्रिंक बन पाते without having that offline distribution? In a code that you write once, something like a Telegram or a Facebook, and it blows up. These are the four kind of leverages that have existed in the market for last 15 years. But the question I have for all of you, since you guys are supposed to be founders, isn't raising capital by far much easier in the last 10-15 years?
Yes.
Isn't there is a plethora of people who just are looking for the right kind of jobs? So labor भी खत्म हो जाता है. Distribution की जब बात करते हैं, do you think offline distribution धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है?
Yes.
How many of us haven't bought anything offline for a while? Quick commerce, after the advent of quick commerce for sure. In with the code. Any engineers in the house? We have a couple of them. Do you think writing code is now super easy? Relatively much easier with the advent of things like Copilot and all. So the true two leverages that stay in the market is attention/media and AI. How do you leverage them? That's the real game. And that is why you see everyone wants this leverage, even the billion-dollar founders. I understand some of us here feel like, dude, I don't know, I don't care. Well, man, you might not care, but billionaires do. That's why you see someone like Ambani. शादी दिख रही है सबको, हो रही है पिछले 2-3-4 महीने से और खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है. कितने लोगों ने सुना that in the next 2 months they'll be in a London booking a 7-star hotel to do this post-wedding show? Yeah. What's happening? Why are they doing this? क्यों कर रहे हैं ये?
Put India on the map.
To put India on the map. Okay, that's one. What else? Attention तो है, but क्या क्यों attention gain कर रहे हैं इतना? क्या हो रहा है?
To be in the top of the mind of people all the time.
To be in the top of the mind of the people all the time. There are a lot of Reliance brands that we don't even know about.
Yeah.
So, और क्या है? Respect. Okay. Okay. What else?
To grab the global attention as well.
The grab the global attention.
I know different theories. So basically, the space Tata has been respected all over the world. Ambani said,
Right. I don't think that like the kind of respect that Tata commands is very different. Anyways, guys, हम product launch करते हैं. यार ये अपने बच्चे लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. मतलब इंडिया को हाथ पे रखना तो एक बहुत नोबल कॉज है, उसके लिए कोई इतना पैसा खर्च करता है. लिटरली जस्ट लॉन्चिंग देयर किड्स कि यार मेरे बच्चों की शक्लें हर किसी को पता हो और कुछ हो ना हो, इतना तो करके चले जाते हैं. और someone like Nikhil Kamath, guys, what was the kind of money they minted? Zerodha minted last year, last FY, 2-3 हजार करोड़. 9,000 profits या revenue? 4-5 हजार average. Why do you think this guy needs to prepare content? Distribution से क्या? What is he trying to achieve here? Like he has a lot of money. Trust. What else? Brand value. Recall value. Guys, we were talking to I think one of the right hands of Nikhil Kamath, and the idea was they're investing a lot in the content world. Now I was asking why. His idea was that Shivansh, Nikhil and Nitin, they just spent building a business. They spent a lot of time. They built a huge goddamn business. And when they just put out some content, like after hitting $1 billion and people knew them, suddenly they had so much inbound interest that they never anticipated. That, okay, people even celebrate entrepreneurship, they never saw that before. And they figured that, agar inbound interest are, why not? I already have so much capital. First of all, I can deploy that. And when I can make money on someone else's time, that's the easiest thing. And to identify the right kind of people. Like, do we have any angel investors in the crowd today? Anyone? Okay, no one. यार आज आप सोच के देखो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक एंजल लिस्ट आजकल 3-3 लाख रुपए में यू कैन गेट इनटू सीरीज ए 5-5 लाख रुपए में सीरीज बी एंड ऑल दैट बट द राइट काइंड ऑफ डील फ्लोज नेवर फ्लो इनटू द लोअर ऑडियंस राजानंदन अपने पास रख लेता है और वहां पे डील खत्म हो जाती है सो व्हेन यू गेट एन इनबाउंड इंटरेस्ट you get to see a lot of deal flows that would never have existed before. And the other thing, the reason they're investing in content companies, think about it. India में जितने लोग स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा डालते हैं, I'm sure there is a stats कि US में it's 10x more, the kind of capital that inflows, much more than India. Zerodha has already captured the current market. What do they need to capture now? The future students, the future people who will be turning 18. वो कैसे capture होगा? If they just capture the content creators, ये तो खुद का content है. They're heavily investing in content companies to sort of own the influencers to gain access to distribution so that they can just run with it. Every future new people who start becoming 18, they can start feeding that, hey, let's do this. Let's invest through Zerodha. Or Ashnir Grover, of course. But let's not talk about him many which ways. Or Dhruv Bhatia, guys. We all saw what happened in the elections this year, right? We all saw how suddenly every cabinet minister wanted to appear on a podcast. Did you saw every cabinet minister wanted to be on a podcast? From Smriti Irani to Nitin Gadkari, Jai Shankar, everyone, every place. Suddenly creator awards appeared. Suddenly the government wanted to uplift the creator economy and wanted to award them. So guys, this is what these people are looking at. If someone who has billions of dollars, again billions of dollars, someone who can challenge the elections, someone who is in the government, who's trying to rely on the creators to actually get more leverage, that's the power of content, guys. It's not goddamn stupid. There is a reason that why these guys are doing all these things. And what happens when you have attention, you get to have these things. कोई यहाँ पे ऐसा जो बिल गेट्स या फिर सुंदर पिचाई से मिला है कभी नहीं है राइट when you get such kind of access. Any Tanmay Bhatt fans in the crowd?
Yes.
Why? What are the reasons? He's a fun guy. What else?
He's very knowledgeable.
He's the best marketer. His knowledge,
Attention grabbing habit.
attention grabbing, very creative. Guys, Tanmay Bhatt is one of the pinnacles of people who've done a lot of things in life. उसने genuine comedy industry का इजाद किया था, wherein Hindi comedy didn't exist before that. They brought the roasts to India. He's the one who brought the creative marketing. Marketing में दोबारा से जान आ गई है यार एकदम से दुनिया में. Suddenly, Indian companies are now doing world-class marketings. We've all seen ads like Creds and all these things, right? And not just that, he's one of the biggest Bitcoin blockchain investor in the country. One of the biggest crypto investors of the entire country, right? So these are the opportunities you get when you can create content. Imagine just getting to meet Bill Gates or Sundar Pichai or Nikhil Kamath, such kind of people. Wouldn't it be amazing having a one-on-one, one-hour interaction? Imagine the opportunities that can open for you. It could be funding. It could be. अभी किसने सुना? Rare Rabbit नाम की कंपनी सुनी है यहाँ पे?
Yes.
Did you guys hear that he was in the podcast with Nikhil Kamath and after that Nikhil decided to invest on him?
Yeah.
So that is what it opens up. It's about being in front of the people. It's about enough people knowing your story that who I am, what can I really do with that potential? Because पता ही नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. And guys, you know what? Being a creator can help you get hired, raise funds, sell faster, and hundreds of other things that you can see on the screen right now. I think it's smart enough. I need not to say all of these things again and again and again. But there are enough things that you can build as a leverage with content. The question is, what do you want to do with that? Because it could be super easy. It could be super easy to build some extra leverage by the time and make sure that job के लिए हमें 4 लोगों के पीछे ना भागना पड़े. We do not need to rely on the placement cell कि यार please मेरी कोई नौकरी लगवा दो. We do not need to run after and chase hundreds of investors to land up with random 7 associates or random 7 VCs who didn't even tell about the deal flow to their partners. Because that's what happens in the market. How many of you guys would rather do this in an easy way instead of like taking a harder path of chasing people in the world? Is show of hands? Can I get a hoot? Can I get a cheer?